I can't believe we found this hidden gem in Baja.
Hello. Today we're gonna go on a hike, I think. Yes, to Waterfall. I think so. So exciting. So, come along with us. Come along. Our friend that we're caravanning with, Lita and Dylan, he has a meeting right now, so we took a little pit stop and we're starving. We're on our way to go get some food, but now we're gonna do a little snacky break. So, I think some cucumber would be great. So we're gonna make some cucumber, lemon, and tahini, one of my favorite snacks. So we're gonna make that really quick before we hit the road. Cucumber time. A little bit of tahini. We now just also hit the road. So just in time, and now we're gonna go have a little snack for our drive. Snack time, snack time. It's time for some snack time. It's like to ride in a van. It's loud. It's loud. Noisy. Things are falling right now. I think we're hitting a nice smooth patch, but you know, things are rumbling and shaking, opening, even though you might have the best vlogs ever. Somehow our pepper fell. I don't know how our pepper fell. Jumped out. The door is sliding open a little. I mean closed. Yeah. We just arrived. Don't know what that was. Such a bumper road. Let's see the damage back here. Alright, fridge open. Nice. Did the toilet come out? The toilet came out. Here we go. I had picked up the pepper, but oh great. Or like a shelf fell off. Our toilet slid open. Yeah, I love that. Glad it didn't break because it's this glass. We just keep going to awesome places and seeing baby everything. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute they are. Little baby goats. Babies, babies, baby, baby, babies. Alright, we just had some amazing tacos. Oh, quesadillas. I had cauliflower tacos and they were so good. They were cauliflower, like maybe air fried or baked, maybe? Baked. Maybe baked. They were so delicious. And she had shrimp quesadillas. They were just so good. and they came in an order of 3 for about 200 pesos. So delicious. 220. So now, Lita and Dylan are finished eating, and we're gonna change and we're gonna get ready on a hike. I'm in a skirt, so we're gonna change real quick and then start our hike. All right, we're ready now. I just put a bathing suit on because there's a swimming hole. We came back. And we're with friends. Woo-hoo! We're going swimming.
These little guys.
This hike was more of like a trail, a very short 15-minute walk from the entrance. I highly don't really recommend sandals that we all wore because it is pretty steep and rocky, loose rocks, and I'd rather just be safe than sorry. It was a pretty hot day, so we all decided to get into the water. We were all oddly standing there because some people were cliff jumping from the very top, but we decided to pick a smaller rock to jump in from and have some fun. After spending about 2 hours having some fun in the water, we decided to head back to the car so we can get to our campsite. Alright guys, we just made it about 45 minutes from our hike that we did. It was not much of a hike. It was like a very rugged trail, I would say. It's like only 15-20 minutes, but it's very steep and rocky. We did it in sandals. I wouldn't recommend unless they're hiking sandals, so you can also like swim with them or waterproof. But I wore like these like cheap but like everyday like kind of like, I don't know, dressy, not dressy. What am I saying? Kind of like, just like regular sandals. You know what I mean? Anyways, we made it to our campsite and we made it to this RV park, which I will link it or, you know, make the name of it, but it's right to the left of it. It's a little softish kind of sand, but we saw some other rigs here, one which we met earlier today, and now look at this beautiful campsite.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that beautiful
I would say like husky.
campsite.
The shelter we got it from
Friends that we just met.
guess what they are.
We only stayed here for a short few days, but it was magical. We just can't get enough of these Baja beaches. See you next Sunday.